Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel, the Nibble Bowl. Today I am sharing healthy mixed vegetable omelette. If you are new to our channel, do subscribe and make sure to enable the bell icon to get more updates. So let's start. For this recipe, I am taking 1 whole egg and 3 egg whites. Eggs are high in quality protein and it raises the levels of good cholesterol. So adding egg in your diet is good and it fills your stomach and help with weight loss. So this is a weight loss friendly food. Then I am adding 1 tablespoon of carrot. You know, carrots are a weight loss friendly food and have been linked to lower cholesterol levels and improved eye health. Then I am adding 1 tablespoon of green capsicum and the same quantity of red capsicum. The capsicums provide several anti-cancer benefits. They also contain health supportive sulfur compounds and vitamin A, which is good for eye and helps to prevent eye diseases. The next one, 1 tablespoon of onions, then adding 1 tablespoon of tomato. Tomatoes are a great source of vitamin C, potassium and vitamin K. Including tomatoes in diet can help to protect against cancer and maintaining healthy blood pressure and reduce blood glucose in diabetic patients. Now I am adding some salt to it, then give it a good mix and beat well. Taking a heated pan and adding 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, then pouring the mix. Keep it in low flame. And now I am closing the lid and cook for some time. Now we can add some pepper powder. Then gently turn around and cook it for some time. Our healthy mixed vegetable omelette is ready to serve. I hope you all have loved this video. Then like, share with your loved ones. See you with another video. Thanks for watching.